In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save tabs in Microsoft Edge. By the end, you'll know how to quickly capture all your open tabs into a neatly named folder, and how to make sure Edge automatically brings your tabs back the next time you open the browser. Start by opening Microsoft Edge with the pages you want to keep. On the tab bar at the top, right-click any one of your open tabs. It doesn't matter which tab you choose. The option we're using applies to every tab in the current window. From the menu that appears, click Add all tabs to Favorites. Edge will prompt you to name a new folder. Give it a clear, memorable name that reflects the task or time frame, like Project Research 2026, so you can find it easily later. Then click Save. What Edge just did is create a Favorites folder that contains each of your open tabs as individual favorites. You can find that folder in your Favorites menu, and if you use the Favorites bar, it will appear there too. This makes it simple to reopen the entire set in the future or to cherry-pick specific pages from the collection. It's also a great way to keep different research sessions organized. If you often work across multiple Edge windows, remember this command saves tabs from the current window only, so repeat the process in any other window you want to capture. Next, let's make sure Edge automatically restores your tabs whenever you relaunch the browser. Click the Settings and More icon, the three dots in the top right corner of the window. Choose Settings, then open the Start, Home, and New Tabs section. Under the When Edge Starts heading, select Open Tabs from the previous session. With this setting on, Edge will bring back your open tabs the next time you open it, even after you close the browser. This is especially helpful if you accidentally close a window or need to reboot during an update. You can change this behavior anytime by returning to the same setting. A couple of quick tips to keep things tidy. Using descriptive folder names will help you recognize what's inside at a glance. If a project wraps up, you can remove or archive its folder to keep your favorites uncluttered. And while the Favorites folder preserves the pages themselves, it won't save things like scroll position or form entries, so consider leaving important pages open as needed until you're done. That's it. Save a whole session to Favorites, and set Edge to reopen your previous tabs automatically. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.